know you think it's a New Year's joke, but it wasn't a joke.
I thought the mayor was messing with me until he called me. He got me up at 4 o'clock in the morning and told me he had birds falling out of the sky.
This morning, residents in one BB subdivision got an unwelcome New Year's surprise. Thousands of dead birds cover the ground.
Geez, what a way to start the new year, right?
Yes, sir. Last year we started it with floods, and this year birds.
It really is like something out of a horror film. Every yard in the area looks a lot like this one. Dozens of birds litter the ground, and the scariest part is no one knows how they got here.
Everybody's kind of amazed at this happening.
Most of the animals are red-winged blackbirds, like this one, and they're not just on lawns. We found so many of them on some roads that it's difficult to drive without crushing one. We even spotted a few on rooftops.
Started at 7 o'clock, then picking up birds on the street, in the yards. It's been run over and just a mess.
Arkansas Game and Fish has collected some of the dead animals and will perform tests on Monday to try and determine the cause. Officials believe it's weather-related, like lightning or high-atmosphere hail.
One under the tree, 10 over here.
Stephen Bryant has no clue what caused the deaths, but he understands the mess. He found around 40 dead birds on his lawns, and now he won't let his kids play here until he knows more.
I wouldn't let them go outside right now. I don't really know exactly what the explanation is on the birds being out here, but I ain't gonna take no chances.
BB City Council has approved funding for a private company to help clean up the area. Most of the dead birds should be removed by Sunday night. Amidst all of this death, we found some birds who beat the odds.
Going up and down Taylor last night, picking up the ones that didn't survive, I found this one moving around.
Kelly Mayo's daughter calls this wounded bird Liza. Looking around, Miracle might have been a more appropriate name.
Reptilian news update. Thousands of dead birds fall from the sky. Nobody knows why. I know why. I blame Hart and the reptilians that control Hart. The end is near, people. Stockpile your malt liquor and canned goods now. And don't forget to check out and don't forget to follow me on Twitter at TrentSteel1 and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Steel Worldwide. Don't forget to check out my official website, TrentSteel1.blogspot.com. Google pays me to drink malt liquor. Now stay tuned for my brand new malt liquor video. Starts right now.
Needed to fix my car. Didn't have the deductible. Didn't have the cash. But Cash Call got me just what I needed right away. If you need to borrow cash, call 877-860-CASH.
That video gets me every time. Time to make the malt liquor video and get shit-faced again. Malt liquor. Hurricane. Malt liquor. Delicious. Let's get right to the point. It's a call out video. Warlock Gray, this will probably be the 9th time you've been called out. Time to make a malt liquor video. Run down to your nearest store, get yourself a 40 ounce, and make a video. A malt liquor video. Calling you out, Warlock Gray. I checked out your latest video where you were celebrating New Year's Eve with a bunch of liquor, but I didn't see any malt liquor in that video. Just a bunch of hillbillies shooting off their Civil War muskets. Let's go, Warlock. Whole world is waiting for you. Make the fucking video. Malt liquor. Malt liquor. Malt liquor. Oh yeah. This is not one of those bullshit King O Cans malt liquor videos where it's too cold to go out. Go fuck yourself, King O Cans malt liquor. Gotta say malt liquor on the bottle, Warlock. That's when you know you're making a malt liquor video.
Needed to fix my car. Didn't have the deductible. Didn't have the cash. But Cash Call got me just what I needed right away. If you need to borrow cash, call 877-860-CASH.
If you need to borrow cash, check out their website, cashcall.com. And if you're looking for hardcore internet porn, make sure you use Google search when you're looking for that subject, because they pay me to drink malt liquor. By the way, don't forget to check out my official website, trentsteel1.blogspot.com. Google pays me to drink malt liquor.
Needed to fix my car. Didn't have the deductible. Didn't have the cash. But Cash Call got me just what I needed right away. If you need to borrow cash, call 877-860-CASH.
You want to follow somebody? Follow me on Twitter, TrentSteel1. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Steel Worldwide. My hand is frozen. Special shout out to B2M Greatest. Just hit 500 subscribers. Shout out to you, sir. Malt liquor. Shout out to Fall Staff for resurrecting the Warlock Gray call out. Shout out to you, sir. Approaching the swell. Now, even though my Giants didn't make the playoffs, thanks to the Chicago Bears, I'm not upset. Because there's one thing that never disappoints, and that's malt liquor. You can always count on it. It'll never let you down. Malt liquor.
Needed to fix my car. Didn't have the deductible. Didn't have the cash. But Cash Call got me just what I needed right away. If you need to borrow cash, call 877-860-CASH.
Approaching the swell. Last time I checked, 24 degrees out here. Not sitting in a rundown motel with 2 fucking heaters talking all that bullshit. Unlike King O Cans, I finished the swill on camera. So go fuck yourself, asshole. Malt liquor. By the way, King O Cans, I have the most viewed malt liquor video on the internet. So all that bullshit you talking ain't worth nothing. The people have spoken. I'm number one. Swill. Oh yeah, if you check out DJ Entertainment's 4 Loco video that has over 200,000 views, he spit half the Loco in the sink. That's a fail video. Swill. Walty79, let's go. Make a malt liquor video. I'm calling you out too. Malt liquor. delicious.